What's up everybody, Damon here with IGN News. Leslie Benzies, former head of Rockstar North, developer of the Grand Theft Auto series, has accused publisher Take-Two Interactive, Rockstar, and co-founders the Hauser brothers of withholding royalties. Benzies left Rockstar North in January after being on sabbatical since September 2014. According to Polygon, Benzies is suing Take-Two Interactive for $150 million, saying the company tried to force him out after his time off. Here's a statement from Christopher Bakes, a partner at the Lock Lord law firm representing Benzies. While on sabbatical, Mr. Benzies discovered numerous deceptions on the part of Take-Two, Rockstar, Rockstar North Limited, Sam Hauser, and Dan Hauser, who sought to force him out of the company and terminate his portion of royalty payments based upon arbitrary actions by the company's Royalty Allocation Committee, a committee that may or may not have actually ever met. Benzies claims he tried to go back to work on April 1st, 2015. However, according to GamesIndustry.biz, Bakes said, Mr. Benzies found himself unable to enter the Rockstar North office because his facility's access device had been deactivated. Once security let him inside, Benzies was then ordered to leave by the Rockstar North office manager without reason. So far, Take-Two has not commented on the situation. We'll update you when we know more here at IGN.